Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ ज्योति.
और मैं हूँ श्रुति.
Yes, and
And today our favorites are back.
हमारी yes, our favorites. I think the last one we saw was Gardish from Khana Badosh, right? That
Yes.
was track one.
Yes.
So now let's get to track six. I think हमारे दो ही बचे हैं. One is Khafa and one is Gulshan. So now we're gonna do Khafa. It is track six. It has Jokhe, it has Salah Yunus, and it has JJ47. So are we
Nice.
ready?
Nice.
Are we ready?
Yes. Yes. Let's do this.
Okay, let's go on this journey. 1, 2, 3, play.
कौन है तू मुझको बता कौन है तू नहीं खुदा क्यों मुझसे दूर क्या तू खफा मैं दुनिया से नाराज भाई रखे राज नहीं कोई आज मैं फुरपाश भाई दिल में रखे बात नहीं है लव शायद आज पाक नहीं या तो हाथ गाने लिखू रहते मुझे याद नहीं उर्दू रैप नजर बंद मुझ पे आज भी मेरे लिए क्यों तू आज भी रातें जागती तू ही राज जाना तू ही मेरी आरज़ी करने आया बातचीत कहानी बड़ी डार्क थी फिर भी शाइन करे भाई जैसे डायमंड तू रे आना जैसे देती मुझे टाइम गम कायम हम क्यों लगाए जाके टाइम बम लफ्ज तोड़ देता कैसे पढ़ेंगे फिर राइम्स कम मेरे आगे क्यों भिखारियों के माइंड बंद मेरे आगे सारे लेबलों की ग्राइंड कम जिस भी गाने पे आ जाता वो रिवाइंड पर आज भी कहता हूँ मैंने म्यूजिक को दिया टाइम कम कंधे पे बोझ तन्हा बैठा मैं था सोच रहा गाने लिखूं रोज के या जोड़ू जाके नोट चार पढ़ ले बेटा सेविंग पे चल रहे हम बेरोजगार छोड़ा अपना घर अपना शहर अपने दोस्त यार स्कूल मारा बंक चौके मिलने आता रोड पार ढाबे वाले तंग खा के भागे बीते बहुत बार तमाशे की उम्मीद से ना आना मेरी मौत पर रोजी रोटी देने वाला रब क्यों ले कोई शॉर्टकट दुनिया से सीख तरह छोड़ा अपना शौक नहीं करना था हिप हॉप पर क्या चले सिर्फ पॉप भाई खुद बेचोगे पासेस तब जाके मिलता था स्लॉट भाई मेहनत के बलबूते आज यहाँ पे खड़ा चौक नहीं लिए थे जो शॉर्ट्स वो चंदा भराए पॉप रियल टॉक मेरे बारे ज्यादा भौंक नहीं ऑन द रॉक्स ट्रेंडिंग चार्ट्स के अब टॉप पे हम गाने डाले बिना प्रमोशन के यही अब नौकरी कामयाबी फ्लेक्स करूं राइम्स की ये टोकरी गाने सुन के बावली संभाल अपनी छोकरी हम बेवफा नहीं बावफा है तभी दुनिया टोक रही खाना बदोश में कोई सरत कैसे रोकती मैं नहीं जमाने से जाना ये है जमाना मेरा खुदा का मेहमान तेरे शेर भी हो आना मेरा आर्टिस्ट तो मरते हैं यार रोजाना मेरी मौत के मातम में उसी रात निकलेगा नया तराना मेरा कौन है तू मुझको बता कौन है तू नहीं खुदा क्यों मुझसे दूर क्या तू खफा मुझको बता
देर रात बेचैन उठा बिस्तर से पहुंचा स्टूडियो और करने हिसाब बैठा बने रिजला लेके शराब बैठा टूटे कितने आज तक ये गिनने में ख्वाब बैठा फर्क पड़े क्या बची हुई हसरत से सोचता मैं कसरत से ढूंढने जवाब बैठा सवालों के हल मिले शायरी में लफ्ज इतने लिखे जैसे लिखने किताब बैठा क्या मैं असली हूँ क्या मैं जाली हूँ, क्या मैं इल्म का खजाना या खाली हूँ, क्या मैं फैज हूँ या शायरी मिसाली हूँ, क्या मैं खुसरो पतरस या हाली हूँ, क्या मैं नशे में आंखों की लाली हूँ, मुंह से जो निकले गुस्से में गाली हूँ, क्या मैं बसता दिलों में हूँ सबके, कान तरस गई जो सुनने को ताली हूँ, लेकिन कभी कभी लगे जैसा इधर सभी काटने को ढूंढते जो पर थे बड़े ही नहीं, तभी अभी आंखें नीचे आवाज अभी ऐसा लगे खुद के लिए हम थे लड़े ही नहीं, कैसे हार मानूं कैसे जाने दूं मैं, बेशक साथ मेरे लोग थे खड़े ही नहीं, आज बीज बोए तो कल पेट भरे पेड़ कैसे फल दे जिसकी जड़े ही नहीं, आंखें बंद सोचे छूर रही आसमां और मैं आस पे कि किस्मत आवाज देगी, मैं कैसे उठूं रोज लड़ू दुनिया से जब आदत पड़ी हुई बिस्तर पे नाश्ते की, तो हसल सिला खाक देगी, तो हसल अंधेरे में क्या चिराग देगी, तो हसल करने से कभी थकता नहीं आज भी, तो हसल मेरा सालों साल साथ देगी, आजमा ले जिते आते तुझे टोट के, एक बार मुंह जो फेरा फिर नहीं आता लौट के, मैं तो इधर ही हूँ जैसे जागीर मेरी गिरने से डरे ना जो आदि बड़ी चोट के, मुझसे बात करना सोच के, मैंने वक्त सहे अच्छे बुरे रोज के, लाशें पड़ी देखी साइडों पे रोड के, हम तो मुसाफिर बने फिरे यहाँ मौत के, सदा बने मेरा दर्द मेरी कला बने, मैं अगर जख्मी तो गाने मेरी दवा बने, उड़े हवा बने कौन किसका भला बने, जो जिसकी हसल करे उसी की तो जगह बने, कैसे शेर मेरी शायरी में शफा बने, काटने को दौड़े या कौन किसका सगा बने, लफ्ज़ आतिश जलने की वजह बने, मेरे मरने बाद मेरे गीत मेरे गवाह बने।
Oh my God.
मुझको बता कौन है तू नहीं खुदा, क्यों मुझसे दूर, क्या तू खफा, कौन है तू मुझको बता।
हम क्या बताएं, सब कुछ तो उन्होंने ही बता दिया। Wow, like what?
This, I'm just gonna say it. This is saying
Say
a lot because every track on this album is so brilliant, but this is my favorite so far. I'm just gonna
I agree with you. Yes, yes. पहले I thought first verse सुनने के बाद कि wow, what a verse. फिर second verse जब आया, I was like, excuse me, ये second verse तो कुछ और ही कर रहा है.
and the melody and the
Wow.
hook and the way they started and this, you know,
Dude,
I
and
don't
that hook के अंदर उनका जो harmonizing है, that
harmonize.
is brilliant.
It's
It's
when
brilliant.
it started, I was just like immediate wrong day happened because I was like, what are they doing? What are they doing? Oh,
And that line when they're talking about के how you know जो के आके खड़ा होता था स्कूल के बाहर and how people used to run after them and they used to run, that gave such an insight into their दोस्ती also,
Mhm.
right? And it's that whole the struggle they've gone through, the friendship, school के अंदर ही ये सब कुछ करना, and then to see, you know, and then them harmonizing so well together and then going, it was just like so many layers of feelings were coming out, like I was like,
feelings
wow,
and
wow.
And you know, so like I keep saying this, they're such incredible poets because every time, even if this album and the sort of the theme of the lyrics is on the similar, like you know, it's a similar sort of we came from here and this is what we struggled through and this was our
Yeah.
sort of thought process through our struggles and through the hustle and now we're here and this is how we think now. So I mean, they're saying those same kind of things, but the way they beautifully phrase them in every song is so different and just so
Yeah.
hard hitting. It is, I
Yeah.
think this is like Tala Yunus's best verse I have heard till now and JJ47's. I just,
JJ47.
both of them, like there was no better verse in this. They were both so
Yeah.
freaking good and strong and
Yeah.
just real, so real. Like that's my thing. I love it when people just are real and they are so from the heart.
And also जो एक तरीका होता है ना, एक सेम बात को कहने का तरीका, the words you choose, the way you say it, there's so much beauty in the way these guys do it. I'm amazed every time. Yes, I know. Every time I listen to them, I get like
We have,
enamored every time.
we
And
have
I know
no
it.
new
And the,
words. You know.
लेकिन क्या करें? Every time you listen to them, and suddenly you're like, कैसे करते हैं? They are amazing. They are beautiful.
Yeah. I feel with this verse, I put JJ47 up there in the same
Yes,
league as the
yes,
big names in the
yeah.
scene. And and Eunice and Anjum have been there for a while. But I just
In
feel
this song, particularly though, JJ47 for me stood out more.
okay.
Like,
For me,
you
they
know,
were
for
both
me,
as
like
equally good. But
equally good. But I think maybe because I wasn't expecting. I do like
mm,
JJ47. One, two things that I have heard from him before. But for me, you know, the focus has always been on the rest of the people. So
yeah,
JJ47 for me
yeah,
suddenly
true.
stood out because of that. You know,
He just knocked it
otherwise
out of
JK
the
to
park.
I'm
Like
like, yeah, yeah.
he's like in this track. I'm just gonna bring out the guns, the big guns. Um,
But
but
very,
true.
very, very laid back तरीके में. Like,
Oh,
yes, I'm not gonna care when I say it, but like you're gonna feel it. वो
and
वाली feel.
Joke, I can't praise him enough. His music, his singing and his hook delivery and just the beat and just I've run out of words. Honestly, we have one more song to go in this album, and I already have run out of words because I don't know what else to say. This is just
Next time,
legendary
you know
stuff.
what we should do? We should leave the words to them and we should just give reactions, extra expressive reactions. And I think
Oh
that will
my
be
God,
enough.
I
Because
know.
like,
No, but I
जब
see.
शब्द इतने भारी
Yeah,
भरकम हो.
I'll just say that this album will be regarded as one of the all-time greats. And I'm
Yeah,
speaking 20, 30 years down the line from now, when we are old and probably not around. But it is just going to be one of those iconic, game-changing albums. That's it. There's no two opinions about this.
I
इसने
wonder what
गाए
they
नहीं.
think about it. I wonder how they are reacting to it. कि यार बन तो गई, बना दी है, हो गया. Next क्या करेंगे? Like, you know, I'm pretty sure creative juices are constantly flowing. They are probably not thinking once it's out of their system, they have moved forward. But you know, as listeners, when we listen to their other stuff, I wonder what it'll be like.
He said no कि मैं गाने इतने लिखता हूँ मुझे याद भी नहीं है कहाँ लिखे हैं
Exactly,
कौन से लिखे हैं
exactly.
so they'll dig out they have enough and more. I think what they've actually produced and released is probably just 50% or less of what they've written in their diaries and their notebooks. They've got
Very good. I'm happy. I'm
enough
happy.
and more. Yeah.
There'll be a
And
constant flow coming for us. Yeah.
the thing is this album is from last year, right? So
Yeah,
okay, this
yeah.
track is October 2020. The other tracks were in the summer and all of that. But the thing is they released Arzu now, track number 8 from this album only. So I don't know
Yeah.
if that's it. If at 8 they're stopping, or at 9, 10 same album say और भी आएंगे गाने. We don't know. If you guys know, please tell us. But I don't know if this entire album is already out and there's no more
Right.
releases. So
Right.
we'll just have to wait and see. But so far we know there's only one more track left for us to. Dude, this is my favorite song. I'm just gonna repeat
Mine
that,
too.
and it's going on
Mine too.
loop, and I'm gonna be playing it on repeat. And Tala Yunus and Joke and
Tala
JJ47,
Yunus.
you guys have just
Yeah.
the masterpiece, and it's beyond anything I've heard so far.
I'm amazed right now. Like super well done. Super, super, super well done.
We
And
must
if
we must say the last two lines of both their verses because they were so good. Artists तो मरते हैं यहाँ रोजाना मेरी मौत के मातम में उसी रात निकलेगा नया तराना मेरा. And
wow.
yes, and this one loves इतने आतिश जलने की वजह बने मेरे मरने बाद मेरे गीत मेरे गवाह बने. They just both ended with such. Oh,
On that note, if you are a huge fan of them just as we are, share their beauty, share their music, share this reaction because
yeah.
more and more people need to become aware of them, their work, and their music and their poetry. So I
Yeah,
think please,
especially this album needs to
share.
be shared with the whole
Yeah.
world.
Yeah.
Yeah, and on that note, we'll see you in the next one. Check out Shruti's YouTube channel as well. It's linked below. And